Welcome, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the date and the time. First of all, open the settings and click on the settings icon. Next, scroll down, select date and the time, and right here you can change date manually. First you can change month, here you can change days, and here you can change year. In this place, when you click, you can change hours and also the minutes. And when you click right here, you can also change the date format. And as you can see, when you try to change the time format, we cannot, so there is no any option for that. You can only change the date format. And if you want to save the changes, just go back, and that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.